In this video, you will learn how to identify supplementary angles. Supplementary angles are two or more angles that have a sum of 180 degrees. In the picture below, you see angle PQR and angle STU. Angle PQR has a sum of 42 degrees. Angle STU has a sum of 138 degrees. Angle PQR and STU are supplementary angles because they have a sum of 180 degrees. 138 plus 42 will give you 180 degrees. So when determining whether a pair of angles is supplementary or not, you simply add the two angle measures together and see if it equals 180. So if angle A and angle B are supplementary angles, I'm just going to add 96 and 84. 6 plus 4 is 10. 9 plus 8 plus 1 gives me 18. Therefore, my two angles have a sum of 180 degrees. The measure of angle A plus the measure of angle B equals 180. So yes, they are supplementary. In the next example, it asks us to determine whether the measure of angle C and the measure of angle D are supplementary. Well, the measure of angle C is 16 degrees, and the measure of angle D is 74 degrees. Some quick estimation could really tell you that there's probably no chance that these two angles are supplementary. 74 plus 16 degrees is not going to be anywhere close to being 180. You could double check that by simply adding them together quickly. 4 plus 6 is 0. 7 plus 1 plus 1 is 90. These angles are actually complementary. Complementary angles are two angles that add to 90 degrees, but no, these are not supplementary. The last example asks us to identify whether angle I and angle J are supplementary. Again, simply add their angle measures together. And when you add those two angle measures together, you get that the angles have a sum of 200 degrees. So no, these angles are not supplementary either. In this next example, it tells you angles K and P are supplementary. Find the measure of angle P for each measure of angle K. So we're trying to find the supplement to angle K in part A, and we need to find angle P. We do not know the measure of angle P, so we're going to substitute an X for angle P. We do know the measure of angle K, it's 22 degrees, so we'll substitute that in for the measure of angle K. Then we simply solve this equation for X. Subtract 22 from both sides, and we're left with X on the left, and 180 minus 22 is going to give us 158 degrees, which means the measure of angle P is 158 degrees. Next up, try example B and post the result in the comments below.